Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Drives. If you love innovative vehicles, travel, and futuristic mobility solutions, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something truly unique and exciting, the Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025. Imagine combining the charm of a classic Vespa with the functionality of a compact camper. It's the perfect blend of adventure and efficiency. We're going to break down everything you need to know about this incredible new concept, from its design and features to performance and real-world practicality. So, if you're ready to explore the future of microcamping and urban travel, stick around until the end. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest in travel tech and vehicle innovation. Now, let's get started. The Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025 is a game changer in the world of compact travel. Vespa, a brand known for its timeless scooters, has taken a bold step by introducing a three-wheeled scooter that doubles as a micro-camper. Designed for solo travelers or minimalist adventurers, this little camper is not just about nostalgia. It's a practical, stylish, and eco-friendly solution for modern explorers. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, it looks like a slightly bulkier Vespa with a streamlined pod attached to the back. Unlike traditional scooters, this one comes with three wheels for added stability, making it ideal for carrying extra weight. The compact camper pod is seamlessly integrated, maintaining Vespa's signature retro aesthetics while offering a modern and functional twist. The body structure is built from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring that it remains fuel-efficient and easy to maneuver. It features a reinforced aluminum frame, aerodynamic panels, and a collapsible camper shell that extends when parked. The design is not just about looking good, it's about maximizing space while keeping the vehicle lightweight and agile. One of the most fascinating aspects of this camper is its expandable design. The rear pod extends outward, creating a comfortable sleeping space for one or even two people in a pinch. When folded, it remains compact, making it easy to navigate through city streets and narrow roads. The camper pod includes a pop-up roof, providing extra headroom and ventilation. Now, let's talk about the interior features. Despite its small size, the Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025 is designed for comfort. The sleeping area comes with a foldable mattress, storage compartments for essentials, and a mini workstation for digital nomads. There's also an optional solar panel setup allowing you to charge devices and power small appliances on the go. For cooking, it includes a pull-out kitchen module with a small induction cooktop, a compact sink, and storage for utensils and food. While you won't be preparing 5-course meals, it's more than enough for simple cooking on the road. The built-in water tank and filtration system ensure a steady supply of clean water for drinking and cooking. When it comes to power, the Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025 is ahead of its time. It comes in two versions, a hybrid model that combines a fuel-efficient gas engine with an electric motor, and a fully electric version for those who prefer an eco-friendly approach. The electric version offers a range of up to 200 kilometers per charge, perfect for urban and short-distance travel. The battery is removable and swappable, making it easy to replace on long journeys. Handling is another strong point of this vehicle. The three-wheel design offers better balance and stability compared to a traditional scooter, making it safer for long rides. It also features regenerative braking, improving efficiency and reducing wear on the brake system. The suspension system is designed to handle both city streets and light off-road terrain, making it a versatile option for travelers. Now let's discuss real-world usability. Who is this tricycle camper for? It's perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, weekend adventurers, and eco-conscious explorers. If you're someone who loves the idea of van life but wants a smaller, more affordable alternative, this might be the ideal solution. It's also a great choice for urban dwellers who need a compact vehicle that can double as a weekend escape pod. But how practical is it for long-distance travel? While it's not designed for cross-country road trips like a full-size RV, it works well for regional adventures and short camping trips. It's also a great option for those who love spontaneous getaways without the hassle of booking hotels or setting up large tents. Storage might be a concern for some, but Vespa has addressed this by including modular storage options. The camper pod has multiple hidden compartments, and there's an option to attach additional cargo boxes if needed. You can store essentials like clothes, camping gear, and even a small foldable bike for extra mobility. Another highlight is its tech features. The Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025 comes equipped with a smart dashboard featuring GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a built-in camera system for safety and recording your travels. There's also an app that allows you to monitor battery life, engine performance, and even remote lock/unlock functions. Speaking of safety, this vehicle includes advanced braking systems, anti-theft technology, and LED lighting for better visibility at night. The three-wheel design makes it more stable than a regular scooter, reducing the chances of tipping over. But what about the price? While exact pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, early reports suggest it will be more affordable than most micro-scampers and electric motorcycles. The hybrid version is expected to start at around $8,000 to $10,000, while the fully electric model might be slightly higher due to battery costs. Compared to a full-sized camper van, this is an incredibly cost-consuming alternative. So, is the Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025 worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, compact, and functional micro-camper that blends urban mobility with travel freedom, this could be a fantastic option. It's perfect for city commuters who want a weekend getaway vehicle or travelers who embrace a minimalist, eco-friendly lifestyle. That wraps up our deep dive into the Vespa Tricycle Camper 2025. What do you think? Would you take this on a road trip, or do you prefer a more traditional camper setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content on futuristic vehicles and travel innovations. Also, turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Safe travels.